Hi, this is the Xiaomi 13T and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So open first the control panel and here you'll see all of the available options. If you want to change the positions of these options of these icons on the panel or just to remove them or to add another options to your panel, you should click here to this edit icon and you'll see here there's all of these options. Just to add the new one, we should click to this pluses near each of the icons. To remove them from the panel, you should just click to these minuses, and to change the positions of the icons here on the panel, we should just hold it and drag it. To save the changes, just click to done. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.